Welcome to Mama's Kitchen. We're going to make easy coconut cream pie. Okay, this is a Marie Callender pie crust. I've got the oven already heated to 400, and just take a fork, go all the way around it. And we're also going to prick the bottom of it. If you don't, it kind of rises up on you. Okay, ready to put it in the oven. Okay, let's see what it looks like here. All done. Okay, I've got 3 tablespoons of cornstarch in the bowl, and I've got 3/4 a cup of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon salt here. And I'm going to mix together until it's mixed real good, get all the lumps out. Okay, now we're going to get the milk. Okay, I'm going to put a cup of milk in here. I've got the 2%. You can use just regular milk, whole milk. Put the first cup in here and get everything mixed up really good. There's not any on the bottom, so that sugar gets dissolved good. Now we're going to add the other cup of milk. And this is a 2-quart bowl here I'm mixing it in. And this is a bowl that works in the microwave, so I use it every time. Okay, now we're going to put it in the microwave. Four minutes. We're going to separate eggs. We need the egg yolks are going to go in the filling, and then the egg whites are going to be the meringue. It's real important when you do this to not get any of the yellow in your egg white. Okay, we're going to stir it real good. And then we're going to microwave it for a minute times 3. Okay, we're going to cook it for a minute and stir it. Okay, we're stirring it after each minute. Okay, this last minute of cooking, sometimes you have to watch it because sometimes it'll go over the bowl. But that's a good thing. That means it's getting done right. Okay. Now we're going to stir it good, and we're going to temper the eggs. And I'm going to slightly beat the eggs before I put them in there. Then we're going to temper and put some of the egg yolk in there. If you don't do this step, you'd have sweetened scrambled eggs. Okay, I'm going to put it back in there for 35 seconds. I'm going to do it 3 times and stir it each time. Then it'll be ready to go. Stir it again here. See how it's doing. Just about there. See if it starts piling up here. That means it's thick enough. Okay. We'll just do it one more. Okay, I'm ready here. Let's see. See, it's kind of piling up. Okay, just to recap, we put it in there for 4 minutes solid. Then we stirred it, and then we did it 1 minute times 3, stirring after each minute. You gotta watch the last minute. Sometimes it'll rise up above your pan. Just be ready for that. That's good. That means it's done. Then we tempered our eggs and put them in there. Put it on 35 seconds and stirred it each time times 3. Okay, I put 2 tablespoons of butter in here. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. And a cup of coconut. This is done, so I'm going to cover it and keep it warm while I do the meringue. The meringue sticks to it better if it's warm. You want the pie crust cool, but the filling warm when you put it in there. Okay, now it's time to do the meringue. I'm going to have a video of that because it can go on chocolate, banana cream, and everything. So just go check that out if you don't know how. Okay. Yeah. Meringue on. Okay, let's flatten it out. Make sure you seal all the edges so it doesn't pull away from the pie. I like to make these little twirlies on top. This is optional, but sometimes I put some coconut on the top. Yeah, toasted coconut. Okay, it's ready to go in the oven at 350 for about 18 minutes.